Hi everyone, M.Yogadharani, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SNS College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to see about IoT enabling technologies in cloud computing. So, cloud computing refers to both the applications delivered as service over the internet and the hardware and the software, system software in data centers that provide those services. The National Institute of Standards and Technology categorized cloud computing as cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to the shared pool of configurable computing resources. Example, networks, servers, storage, application and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or a service provider interaction. So cloud computing is based on the concept of dynamic provisioning, which is applied not only to the services but also to compute capability, storage, networking and information technology infrastructure in general. So resources are made available through the internet and offered on a pay-per-use basis from cloud computing vendors. So cloud computing allows renting infrastructure, runtime environment and services on a pay-per-use basis. Cloud computing has been coined as an umbrella term to describe a category of sophisticated on-demand computing services initially offered by commercial providers such as Amazon, Google and Microsoft. It denotes a model on which a computing infrastructure is viewed as a cloud from which businesses and individuals access applications from anywhere in the world on demand. The main principle behind this model is offering computing, storage and software as a service. A cloud should have pay-per-use, that is an ongoing commitment utility prices, elastic capacity and the illusion of infinite resources, self-service interface and resources that are abstracted or virtualized. And applications of cloud is helping enterprises, governments, public and private institutions and research organizations shape more effective and demand-driven computing system. Access to as well as integration of cloud computing resource on the system is now easy as performing a credit card transaction over the internet. Large enterprises can offload some of their activities to cloud-based systems. Recently, the New York Times has converted its digital library of past edition into a web-friendly format. Small enterprises and startups can afford to translate their ideas into business results more quickly without excessive upfront cost. System developers can concentrate on the business logic rather than dealing with the complexity of infrastructure management and scalability. End users can have their document accessible from everywhere on any device. So the conceptual reference model of cloud computing is major actors and their activities functions in cloud computing. The NIST cloud computing reference architecture defines 5 major actors: cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud carrier, cloud auditor and cloud broker. So each actor in an entity that participate in a transaction or a process and perform tasks in cloud computing. So cloud consumer, it means a person or organization that maintains a business relationship with and use service from cloud provider. So cloud provider is maybe a person or organization or entity responsible for making a service available to interested parties. And cloud auditor, it means a party that can conduct independent assessment of cloud services, information system operation, performance and security of the cloud implementation. And then cloud broker may define as an entity that manages the use, performance and delivery of cloud services and negotiates the relationship between cloud provider and cloud consumer. And then cloud carrier, an intermediary that provides connectivity and transport of cloud services from the cloud provider to cloud consumers. And then types of cloud computing services as follows: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. In next video, we may discuss about the types of cloud computing and cloud deployment models and benefits of those deployment models. So, thank you.